Hey guys, welcome back to my Singapore vlogs. Today I'm very excited because first of all I'm going to Bird Paradise and this is very huge here, like you will love it. Bird Paradise is located in Mandai, Singapore. It is opened in 8 May 2023. So, a little bit about tickets. You can directly purchase on Mandai Wildlife Reserve website or on Klook. So, the standard tickets are like approx Singapore dollars 48 to 51, and the child tickets are Singapore dollars 33 to 35. And I think you should really go here, and especially this penguin cave. It is so amazing. I mean, it was my first time to see a penguin, and I was so amazed. Penguin Cove is one of the world's largest stimulated Antarctic exhibits, featuring cold saltwater pools for king and northern rockhopper penguins. And this building consists of like two levels, one for observing the birds while swimming via underwater viewing galleries, and another above the water level stimulating a windswept cool beach for the birds to roost and nest on. So there are like a lot of options you can choose. The standard tickets grants access to all walkthrough activities, and there are like exhibits, daily presentations at the Sky Amphitheatre, and there is multi-park destination pass which combine your ticket with visits to Singapore Zoo, River Wonders, or the Night Safari. It also provides backstage passes and tours for experiences like the Bird Discovery Tour or Healthcare Backstage Pass. Okay, so the best time to go is like early morning because there's so much to cover. You should be on time, and how to get there is the park is located at 80 Mandai Lake Road. You can easily reach it via the Mandai Khatib shuttle, which runs between Khatib MRT station and the reserve. There are like so many birds, like oh my god, you'll be so amazed because there's so much to do, there's so much to see. So I request you to definitely go to this place and observe everything, learn about them if you're like really into wildlife and everything, because you'll see a lot of things here, like a lot of varieties, and you'll definitely enjoy it. And it's really safe, so don't worry about it. They are very nice and you can be careful. So there are like a lot of things to do in Mandai Wildlife Reserve. It has Singapore Zoo, night safari, river wonders, and rainforest wild Asia. So the bird paradise covers approx 42 acres with larger and double the walk-in than the previous bird park. So the next thing was night safari, and I was so excited because I've heard so much about it. Because you get to see animals in open, like you go, like you travel in a vehicle, open vehicle, and you see all the animals. And the tickets start at approx $45 USD, which is 4,350 for adults. And I think you should definitely go because it's a really very different experience, and you'll be like scared for a little bit, but because there's tigers and there's everything, like there's all animals, so it is very exciting and it is very huge. So I think you should like visit everything. The park is open daily from 7:15 p.m. to 12 a.m. midnight, which is so cool. Like you can experience it till late night. The ticket generally includes the guided safari tram ride around 40 minutes and access to the live animal presentation. So definitely don't miss out on this because I totally loved it. It was very adventurous and I felt so amazing. Also in this area there's a lot of things to eat, so you can grab a bite, and then we were back to our hotel. This is like our last day in Singapore, and I think I've only had Indian food here, and it was time to go to Malaysia now. So next day we woke up and took a bus to Malaysia because it's quite near, like you can go by flight also, but we wanted to experience the roads and see the scenery. So we just booked a bus and we were on our way to Malaysia. So stay tuned for my next vlog because I'm going to show everything about Malaysia, what to do. Like I'm only there in Malaysia for a few days, but I'm going to cover all the popular places, and I'm so excited for you guys to show everything. So stay tuned for my next episode where I share all the details about my Malaysia trip.